Hey, good day everybody. This is Alvin Wu of Fidelity Measurement. Some customers ask me how to collect the transaction data by wireless and then save all the transaction data into a database file. Today we are going to use our CSA crane scale mainboard for this demonstration. First of all, let's take a look on the hardware configuration. Okay, we have here CSA mainboard, and there is a Wi-Fi module on board, and then I use a simulator to simulate the load apply and remove, and then I have here a PC computer, and then before we are able to do the connection, we must have some software. Let's take a look on my monitor. This is the Vitro Comport program, which is developed by the Wi-Fi module manufacturer. This program is to convert the IP and port number into a Vitro Comport so that the other PC program can use this as a comport. And then we should have another PC program, PC communication program, for example hyperterminal or terminal. In my case I use terminal, which can be downloaded from the website for free. And then okay, let's start the demonstration. Let's take a look on my Wi-Fi module setting. I set the working mode as TCP server, and the IP address is 192.168.10.17. Port number 8899. Okay, and then we go to just 1 second. Let's run the Vitro Comport program. Okay, first of all, we click Add Comport, and then we select the comport number. For example, I say I need to make a comport 6 for the connection. Okay, because the working mode of the Wi-Fi module is a TCP server, then by default I have to select TCP client on this PC program. Then I type in the IP number of the module and also the port address of the Wi-Fi module, which is 8899, and then I say OK. And then as you can see, the net state is connected, and this is the IP and the remote port number, and then we have the comport 6. So I'm going to run terminal program. Then I say comport 6, baud rate is 115.200, and then I connect. Then I'm going to make a and then before we start, okay, we do transaction. Let's click Start Lot, and then okay, the meaning of this is that okay, we will create a file name here so that all the data received will be transferred to that file. I use, for example, this is the date of today. I say CSA lot. Okay, let's say open. Then I'm going to make some transaction by the CSA mainboard. This is first transaction. This is the second, and this is the third. Okay, for example, we finish our job. Alrighty, then we click stop log. Okay, and then I think the data has been saved to this data file already. Let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, we have the first, second, and the third transaction data. Okay, somebody would like to use it to convert it into a Microsoft Excel file for further analyze, calculation, or whatever. Okay, we'll say copy, and then we'll run Microsoft Excel program, and then we place it here. Okay, let's take a look. As you can see, there are semicolons in between each data, and this format is not very good to look at. So we are going to do the cosmetic change. First of all, we will say data, and then we'll select text column, and then we'll specify the delimiter. We'll say next, and then we'll select semicolon here, and then next, and then finish. Now each data occupy one cell. That is easy to look at. And then since we have two decimal point for the weights, we will do the same. Let's say a decimal, and then no. Okay, then we can start doing analyze or calculation. For example, this is total, and then you can save this file according to the name you like. For example, by this simple step, all the transactions from a product can be record and saved to a computer file, no matter it is by wireless, for example, Wi-Fi in our case, or cable. You can use the same methods to convert all the data received from a weighing product into a database file. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this movie. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you. Bye-bye.